Hi, so this is for my first weather observation. My site is set up in North Pole, Alaska, in a box on the front porch close to the house. This is a satellite view of my house where I'm at in North Pole. And then we are going to zoom out so we can see where I'm at in the state of Alaska. And then a little further out. I'll also switch it over to the map view. Sorry. So this is where I'm located. My first weather observation was done on the 25th of February at 10:44 in the morning. My pressures were about the same for in the house and outside. It wasn't much difference. I did notice that my thermometers, though, were about 2 degrees off from each other. We'll scroll down, and this is my outside. The temperatures are a little bit closer together. There was a slight breeze that day. The wind was coming from the south, and it was snowing. And that pretty much sums up my first weather observation. Thank you.